Don't get me started. We taking off luncheon like the missus in the ride.
What's going on, y'all, man? It's another day. Right now, what I'm working on, I'm actually working on a new design that I had a vision for. So it's kind of simple, but I think it's gonna be fire after it come out. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm trying to work on more wearable designs, just trying to elevate my business and actually generate more revenue, just to be honest with y'all. You know what I'm saying? We always trying to grow, always trying to get better, always trying to make moves towards a bigger goal. So with that being said, I'm working on a few different hat designs as well. So there we go. These are the new hat designs that I'm working on. I went to Bass Pro yesterday and picked up a couple new different colors and stuff like that. So like what you want to do when you have a business, especially when it's a business that's like predicated on your creativity and everything. So you want to always, every time you get an idea, just in some form or fashion, get it in motion, man. Get it out of your head and in reality. You know what I'm saying? Because you never know what that design can do for you. It's a lot of times, like my best designs, honestly, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, they come to me in dreams. So a lot of my designs, like my most popular designs and stuff like that, they all came to me in dreams. But if they just stayed in my head, they would have never came to fruition. I would never be in the position that I'm in right now, which is customizing full time. You know what I'm saying? That's one of the biggest tips I can give y'all, man. Get the stuff out of your head and in reality. So I got them finished, man. The project that I was working on, well, at least one. The main junk that the shoes or whatever I'm doing. I'm finna just show y'all. Here they are. I really like how they came out. They nice and simple, but they fat on. I did some special stuff to the little bandana. It's a different bandana. I haven't seen anybody use this and do what I just did. So, you know, then I threw the rope laces in there, kind of tying in with like that little distressed kind of fall coloring, because I know, you know, the fall coming up. That's one thing I can tell y'all to do. Kind of cater your customs towards the seasons if you can. You know, not just saying, okay, it's fall, so I'm only making fall customs, but you do need to try to, you know, just like it's trends, man. So you follow the trends and you follow the climate of the world at the moment. You know what I'm saying? So it's the fall time coming up, so people gonna be looking for fall gear and everything. Just like when the spring and summertime come, that's when everybody wants tie-dye stuff and all that kind of different things. So, you know, when the colors are popping and vibrant and all that kind of stuff, when it's closer to Easter and, you know, the pastels and all that kind of stuff, man, you just gotta pay attention to what's going on. You know, I like to watch a lot of fashion and stuff like that. What's the most popular colors for a certain time? Just keep your mind and study your craft. You know what I'm saying? Keep your mind on actually making this money, man, because it's not easy, but it's not very hard. You know what I'm saying? All it is consistency and the willingness to learn and pay attention to what's going on, not be stuck in what you want to do. You feel me? What's good, y'all? Right now I'm working on stuff for my Whatnot live tonight. I got a bunch of different colors. I think I might have showed, I don't know. I got a bunch of different colors of the Bass Pro Shop hats. You know, that has been one of my most purchased things as of lately. So I'm having to do a bunch of those right now. Actually, y'all can see. You know, got new colors. You know what I'm saying? So just working on it right now. Hopefully I can get this done quick so I can hop on these other shoes. I know I look super tired. My face looks swollen and all that kinds of stuff. I need a haircut. I need to get my hair done again. I'm just down bad right now. But this is the kind of stuff you're gonna have to do if you want to pursue things as an entrepreneur. You might look rough at times, you know what I'm saying, just to get to where you want to go. Because right now I'm solely focused on getting my place, man. It's looking good as of now. So I just got to keep on pushing, build my money up and everything, because I'm actually thinking about making another big purchase on top of, you know, getting my place and what I just did and everything. I gotta go ahead and drop that or make that video about what, you know, I kind of purchased, and just to show y'all that I have results. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to my customizing and the things that I'm telling you about, I have results, y'all. So, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta just be like, man, he talk all the talk, but we ain't really seeing no fruit behind it. So I'll be showing y'all that in a few videos, but y'all just rock with me, man, and we'll get this stuff done. Okay, so right now, man, I just got done with the hats, and they looking really, really good, man. I'm proud of how they came out. I'm about to show y'all. Right now, I'm about to do the preview, the video for my live and all that kind of stuff. But I'm finna show y'all how they came out.
Holding on to better days, don't tell nobody. Don't get so stuck up in your ways that something won't ever change. This ain't a game, just don't step in the way. No, find a way, find a way, find a way, find a way. Every day you gotta find your way. On the beat when I get sick, this is my meditation. Get a close up, zoom in.
We're good with it, y'all. I just want to show y'all a few of the shoes that I have picked up lately. In no way, shape, or form is this to brag or anything like that. That's like I always say, that Miss Lane. But I just want to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, the stuff that I wear and the shoes that I like personally outside of my custom. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a custom fire. You know, yeah. But let me get into it, man. All right, so I got like I got like 4 pair to show y'all that I done picked up lately. 3 of them I don't know. I haven't even took them out the box, so I don't even really know which one is which. So we gonna do this together. You know, yeah. Let me get that. You know what I'm saying? Let me. See what we got. I think this a pair of dunks right here. I know I bought 2 dunks, I believe. Excited to see which ones these are. See them in person, you know what I'm saying? My oh, that look better than even better than the pictures. Damn, I think I got a size 2. But it's these right here. I might need to turn this down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I don't know exactly what they call. I know they like snake skin or whatever. But they hard though, man. And y'all know me, man. If it's pink, anything resembling pink, cause this is more like a peach. But I won't see. You know, yeah. But yeah, these cold, man. These just hard for real. I'm gonna have to, let me see. I gotta put them on foots real quick to see if I messed up, cause I had my cause there was some shoes that came out and the app was glitching. My Nike app was glitching, so I had went on to set it to a 10.5 because I wanted a 10.5 in that shoe specifically. So I went on to set it for that, but I didn't put it back, and I wear a 10. So these are 10.5. But I heard dunks run a little slow nowadays. I don't know. I ain't. Back when I was wearing dunks, that was when I wore 9.5, like solid 9.5, nothing else. So, yeah, they cool. They cool. I ain't remember these being so loud. Oh, it's cause I used to wear SBs. I ain't really wear like just regular dunks like that. I wore the dunk SBs. So, yeah, these cold though. I like these. Y'all know, man. I rock my shoes, so. You know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, on to the next pair. You know, yeah. Let's see what we. Okay, I guess I just ripped the adhesive off. Yeah, this is another pair of dunks. Yeah. Oh, that blue. That blue go big crazy. So this is another pair. They're calling these argon or something like that. I think that's what they call. I like these too. I bought these because it was like different hues of blue, and I don't have no shoes like that. At least not that I can think of. Yeah, especially like with the little Carolina blue on there. I can't remember. I don't think I have any shoes with like the Carolina blue on them. So I went on and got these. I got early access on these from the sneakers app. So when you get a dub on the sneakers app, you know it's a good day, man. You gotta hop on that when you can. On to the next pair, so this video don't be too long. Alright, next pair. Oh dang, I lied again. It's five pair of shoes. My bad, y'all. To the next one. And I bought all these over, you know, a few weeks. I ain't just going crazy on those shoes. I told you I'm trying to move and I need to sell some of my shoes. But it just was like, y'all know how it is sometimes, man. You get the little urge or whatever. I wanted these when I first seen the little pictures and stuff like that. If you can see the box, you know what they are. Yeah, I wanted these. I didn't care nothing about no resale. Y'all know I don't care nothing about no resale. I bought what I like. That's that one, right? Shoot. I know why I got a 10.5, y'all. I do know why I got a 10.5. I meant to do that. I meant to get that because I'm starting to put like insoles back in my shoes again and stuff like that. You know, for comfort. I be on my feet a lot, so I gotta protect them shoes. You know what I'm saying? So I started back to put insoles in my shoes, and they comfortable with like my regular size or whatever. But I wanted to go like a half size up for like shoes like this that really ain't comfortable at all. So like dunks and ones and stuff like that, I went on and started getting 10.5 so I can put them insoles in there and it be super comfortable. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's just a trick I learned along the way in my sneaker journey. But yeah, I got these. I don't know what they call. I think they stealth or something. I know the 12s are called stealth, but I don't know what these called. The leather on here ain't too bad, man. It's kind of soft. I feel like the more I wear them, it's gonna get softer and softer too. So it ain't gonna be no hard, stiff mess that you gotta work in and bleed, make your foot bleed and all that kind of stuff. So nah, these cold. I like these. I'm gonna be able to wear these a lot, and that's what I'm kind of like moving towards. Like the what these things? Hold on, I'll show y'all. I forgot these Mystic Navy or something like that. These right here, I've been wearing these a whole bunch, and that's what I'm trying to move towards, man. Just getting shoes that I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of, that ain't just gonna sit in the box, stuff like that. And I feel like I can wear these with a bunch of different outfits and, you know, different styles and stuff like that. So I'm being more selective with my purchases. The inside of these feel real good too. Padding and stuff. The little material right here. Me like that. On to the next pair. Okay, so for the next pair, let me turn it up back up. For the next pair, I think I showed these briefly in a video before, but if you ain't seen them, I'm gonna show y'all one. Let's show y'all these real quick. Fire red threes. Turn me up now. Yeah. 5 red 3s. Knock it out on double tie. But yeah, I got these as well. Feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these too, man. I ain't gonna wear these as often as maybe the other ones. And then like the gray ones, I really want a few pair of them actually. The ones, cause y'all know why I want a few pair of them. I'm trying to paint on them jumps, man. It's like the perfect base, other than like the little gray outsole, you know what I'm saying? But we, you know, we can tie it in. We can work with that. But because it's just like plain white and gray, boy, it's so easy to paint on that, man. But to the next pair, the final pair. Okay, and for the final pair, I guess over the past few weeks or whatever, I done went a little dump crazy. I don't know. I guess it just brought me back to, you know, the good days when I could get shoes for $40 and stuff like that. But I got these court purple gents. Turn it down a little bit. But yeah, I got these court purple dunks. I'm debating on keeping them or not, because I told you I'm trying to be more selective, man. I already have some purple shoes, but they're not purple and white, they're purple and black. I had to look at my shoes again to see if I have a purple and white pair of shoes. I mean, I don't know, I may keep these, I may not. It just all depends. It depends, man. I had to look through my shoes to see if I need to keep these or not, you know what I'm saying? So that was it, man. These are all the kicks that I done copped throughout the past maybe month or so. And you know, hey, y'all hit me with the little like, man. I'm doing different things around here, man. If y'all want me to show y'all what I will wear with this stuff, like do it like some little outfits and stuff like with my different shoes and stuff like that, y'all let me know, man. I would definitely love to do that, and I actually want to do that because I want my channel to move in a different direction, not just be painting shoes every day. Painting shoes, that means life. And that's why I call it lifestyle, not customs. But y'all let me know if y'all want me to drip these things. Y'all want me, let me know if y'all want me to start making customs and doing outfits with those and stuff like that. Show you how to wear your customs and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, man, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? And around. I'ma catch you, you hear me?